Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a haul slash unboxing for you guys. I have a lot of things to unbox today. I've been waiting to try these out with you guys. Let's get started right away. So the first product is a skincare product, and this is the 리리코스 Marine Energy Collagen Ampoule. I mentioned in my previous video that after I moved to Korea, like my skin type changed. I used to be oily, acne prone skin, and after I moved to Korea, now I'm more towards the dry side, dry combination. So I've been using a lot of products that give me a lot of hydration and moisture. Before, I used to only use like a toner and a moisturizer and maybe a night cream sometimes. But now in my skincare routine, I have to include like a serum or an ampoule. I'm turning 34 here in Korean age soon. I'm almost hitting mid-30s. Oh my gosh. But I did notice a lot of changes with my skin as I'm aging towards my mid-30s. And I did notice a lot of sagging here. I'm not sure if you guys noticed in my videos, but I'm starting to sag here on under my chin line. Some bags under my eyes. You can't really tell because I covered it with makeup. I've been using a lot of products that contain collagen in it because that helps with like firmness and wrinkles. So this contains collagen, of course, because it's 72% collagen. So the applicator is just a drop it, and it's so nice. It's not too thick or it's not too watery, and it's not sticky. This is like the perfect texture because you know some serums it's a little too sticky, so whenever you put on your face it's like it feels kind of like thick. But this one, it's right in the middle. It's like perfect. It absorbs into the skin really quickly. They have really strong fragrances, but this one is really mild and the scent goes away. So I've been applying this at night before I go to bed. The next morning my face feels super hydrated. I also took this with me to Singapore when I went a few days ago. It's like the perfect size to travel with also. So if you're looking for an ampoule, highly recommend this. Great for those that are even in your 20s. Next, I got a few things from Hera. And this is the line that Blackpink Jennie modeled for. The Hera Black Foundation, the Hera Black Cushion, and then this, the Hera Sensual Intense Velvet. Sensual Intense Velvet, number 337. So this is known as the Jennie lipstick. I actually have this on my lips today. So pretty. It's like a bright reddish coral color. Great for the spring and upcoming summertime. It has a velvet finish. I love the texture. It's like so soft and it's non-drying and super pigmented. This is the Hera Black Foundation SPF 15 Cover Fit Liquid Foundation, and this is in the shade 21N1 Vanilla. Ooh, it's a pump. I want to compare this. Compare this with my favorite Giorgio Armani in shade number 4. This is the Lasting Silk. You guys know this is my favorite as well. Just in case they discontinue it here in Korea, I stocked up and bought like 5. The color is about the same. So the bottom is the Armani, and then this top one is the Hera. Okay, so the Hera is a little bit more yellow tone. Just to test it out. Oh, the coverage is pretty nice. It's like a medium coverage. Add a little bit more blush. I went over it with the foundation. This is NARS Sex Appeal. Black cushion. Black. Shade number 21. This is also in vanilla. So I'm guessing it's the same shade as this foundation. First of all, I love the packaging, of course, black and gold. I even like the puff. Pretty. I love opening this. Like the sound. Here's some ASMR for you. Oh, wow. There's like an imprint there. What does it say? Is that an H? Anyways, I'm gonna press on that. Oh, why is it kind of dark? Both seem to have pretty good coverage, like medium coverage. And the finish, it has like a natural finish, but it seems like I applied like powder on top. I think it will be good for those that have oily skin, but if you have really dry skin, I think it will be a little too drying for you. You know how a lot of Korean foundations and cushions, there's only like 3 different shades, like 21, 17, 21, 23, but this foundation comes with a lot of shades, like light to dark, and even the 21 shade, it comes in a cool, neutral, and a warm, and this is a neutral. Next, this is from Dior. Oh, look at this bow, it's so pretty. I was at a Dior event a couple weeks ago, I think it was like 2 weeks ago, and I got to see Isabel, their pony makeup, and this super famous model. She was so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at this. It says Forever Dior. Comes in the shade 0N, 1N. What is this? Why is there 2 0Ns? Oh, look at this. It's a cushion. I've never tried a Dior cushion. Have I? No, this is my first Dior cushion. Look at the packaging. It's like spongy. Let's try this. Dior. Okay, let's do this again. Let's open this. Wow, it has Dior on it. Gosh, I have like 4 different type of foundations on my face right now. Oh, the cover seems really nice though. So let's compare this with the Hera bottom. Oh, the colors seem pretty similar, right? See, the top one, it does have a slight pink undertone. Okay, the second box from Dior. I think this is the lipstick. Oh my gosh! There's a mic in here. Or karaoke. Oh my gosh, it's a real mic. Let's put batteries in it. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Charging the mic right now. Let's see if it really works. So I guess we can swatch these for now. 673. Here are the shades up close. Oh my gosh, it smells like cotton candy. Oh, so this one is really shimmery. I really like this shade. Pretty! Beach Muse. Beach Muse. Oh, ooh. So a mixture of shimmery and matte shades. Ooh, so pigmented. There. Ooh, look at this color. This shade. So this one is just a really light pink shade. This is in Full of Charm. It's a bright orange color. Peach Splash. Very light peach color. Pure Cake. This is similar to my Sex Appeal. It's like very soft fine powder. So these are lip shades. There are 5 different colors. I think they're matte. Yes. It's like a velvety matte finish. It's like a slim packaging and it's so soft. This is in shade Gotta Sing. Oh yes, it's super matte.
Muse filter.
Here's the colors up close. Have you guys heard of this brand? It's called RAREKIND. It's the girl from what was it? Mamamoo? Was it Mamamoo? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different shades. Sorry guys, I'm using natural lighting, so the light keeps changing. Then Rose Awesome. That's a pretty color. This is also matte. I'm going to swatch one more. This is Take Off. It looks a little bit more red right now. If I put it on my bare lips, I think it'll be more like a fuchsia color. But I really like the color. So yesterday, my cousin and I, we went to Karasuge and I bought just a couple of stuff there. This is the 3 Concept Eye Style Nanda nail polish. And it's what I have on my nails right now. Pretty shade. I just put this on before I started filming, but it's kind of watery compared to the other nail polishes that I have, so it took longer to dry. But it was like $4 and the color is pretty, so I got it. Oh, also from Style Nanda, I got these makeup sponges. 3 Concept Eye Soft Square Sponge. I used to use the Skin Food sponge like all the time. It was my favorite, but that whole brand, it closed down. So there's no longer Skin Food here in Korea. So this was from Skin Food and this was my last one. So this square shape, and you can take this out and then rip it up so it's like a triangular shape. You could get like under your eyes, good for like this area, like around the nose. I used this a few times, like I'll use this side one day and then this side one day and this side one day. They're called 6ixty8ight. Have you guys heard of this brand? They have like really cute PJs and bras and underwear, socks, and clothes. So I got this socks. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs and it was $10. White, gray, pink tones. They had other colors like black. It's a skirt. They also have this in a lighter blue color. I got this in the dark wash. This was 23 Korean won. gonna look super cute with like a white top or a black top underneath. I used to wear overalls like all the time when I was younger, but you're never too old for overalls. Got mine in a size small. I'm going on a family trip to Jeju-do again in a few weeks for my birthday, and I'll be wearing this, so you'll probably see like an outfit photo of this on my Instagram. This dress, I have NANING9 down in the subway station. They also have like indie brand. I love NANING9 and indie brand and 8 Seconds and Miso. It's just a yellow long dress. Kind of wear like this with sandals. It would be pretty if you wear it like at the beach. Does this work? Wow! Wow, this mic works! 시작! 아니야. 그거 뭐지? 뭐지? 삐야 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 Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys are new to my channel. I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye!
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
혹시 유튜브 세요?
맞아요.
유튜브 세요?
네.
이름 뭐예요?
저요?